In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add JavaScript code in Wix, using Velo Dev Mode for custom functionality. To begin with, you need to enable Dev Mode. This can be accomplished simply by going to the Wix editor and finding the Dev Mode in the top menu. Once there, you'll need to activate Dev Mode by selecting Turn on Dev Mode. Now you are ready to add your code files. You'll find code files in the left sidebar of the interface. By clicking on the plus icon under this menu, you'll be able to choose New JavaScript File. This is where you'll name your file. For example, you might name it myscript.js. After naming your file appropriately, go ahead and click on Create. Once your file is created, you can move on to writing your JavaScript code. This involves entering the code directly into the file you've just made. In case you'd like to implement this code on a specific page, open the desired page and get to the page code section, which is typically at the bottom. This is where you can import functions from your custom JavaScript file and utilize them accordingly. In addition to specific pages, you might also want your code to apply to all pages on your site. If so, proceed to the Site tab and find the Global Code section. Here is where you can add your JavaScript code that will be applied site-wide. Interestingly, Velo has a rich API which helps with interfacing Wix elements and services using JavaScript. Feel free to import and utilize these APIs in your custom code files as needed. Our next focus would be embedding custom code snippets. To do this, go to Settings in your site's dashboard, and then find and click Custom Code lying in the Advanced section. Now click on Add Custom Code to add your snippet. This is where you'll paste your JavaScript code snippet into the provided text box. You then need to make sure that your code gets a recognizable name. Please also select where to place it within your site structure. It could be the header, the start of the body, or the end of the body. The location is usually determined by third-party instructions, or the specific functionality you are looking to gain. Let's move on to setting the scope of the code. Do you want the code to be added to all pages, or just specific pages? Make the selection that suits your needs. Once you're done with that, don't forget to click Apply to save your changes. This completes our tutorial on how to add JavaScript code in Wix, using Velo Dev Mode for custom functionality. By following these steps, you can flexibly adapt your Wix website to suit your functional requirements.